Hello and good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how the action potential works. So here we have a model. This is an axon. Now on the outside of the axon, we have higher concentration of sodium ions, and while on the inside, the concentration of potassium ions is higher. At resting potential, as seen here, the axon has a membrane potential of negative 70 millivolt due to the potassium-sodium pump, which pumped 3 sodium ions outside the axon and 2 potassium ions inside the axon. Secondly, there are also large negative proteins as well as chlorine ions inside the axon. At this state, the axon is said to be polarized. When the axon receives a stimulus, the sodium ion will start to enter the voltage-gated sodium channel down to its electrical gradient as it is now open. Upon reaching the threshold, the axon is said to be depolarized. The change in the polarity will close the sodium gate. Now, the voltage-gated potassium channel will start to open, and therefore, the potassium ions will rush out of the axon. And repolarization occurs. And the change in the polarity close the potassium channel. Now the axon is undergoing hyperpolarization as its voltage is lower than negative 70 millivolt. At this state, sodium ions will not rush into the axon as the electrical gradient is against it. The axon is now undergoing refractory period and will not receive another signal. Eventually, the sodium and potassium ions will go back to their resting potential positions as sodium-potassium pump sodium ions inside and potassium outside of the axon.